In this video, we will learn about the attachment of attributes with the items. We can do this attachment while defining a new item or during a update of an item. Here the item is in the update mode and there are two different types of attributes, department-based attributes and item-based attributes. These attributes help us to define the items more clearly, and these are used when we are generating reports. For example, this is an item Coke can 300 ml. For department-based attributes means for every department, we have different departments here. For every department, the values of these attributes, like within a category, local, imported, other items, and within item group, the grocery and the drinks will be different for different departments. For journal items, these will be the values. For other departments, we can define a different set of values. So these are department-based attributes, and for item-based attributes, irrespective of the department, these are only defined once. So for every type of items, same values will be available. As I mentioned earlier, these attributes are used to define items more clearly, and while taking reports, for example, we may want to see the sale of all the items which fall under the category of drinks. Then system, since we have attached drinks with all items which fall in the category of drinks, at the time of sale report or stock report, we just mention this attribute or a tag, and system will give us the report of all such items. There is another thing which you might have noted, that the caption color is different for some of the attributes. The blue color is fixed. This means you cannot change, but for the attributes which are in maroon color, the item material, item packaging, this you can define yourself according to your business requirement. Similarly, all item based captions can be defined by you. How this is done? Within the configuration, system configuration, we go on to the system configuration menu, and on the item tab we see here the department based attributes and item based attributes. The explanation for this is also available in info icons. So when we expand department based attributes, the two which were in maroon color are here. I can give any name to them. Similarly, for item based attributes, for all 7 attributes, I can give any name to them. And when I come to this item definition screen, I will see those names which will help me to relate different attributes. Now we have to populate all the values. How we can do this? We can press the plus button and add any new category name and press save. So it will be saved. And if we want to change the names of existing categories or item groups, any values, or delete those values, then we need to go to that particular screen. And how we can go on the items menu, we have this department based attributes, and when we open up, then there is a option to open up any of the particular attribute. So we go to that particular screen. Here all the categories are listed against the departments, right? Because these are department based attributes. And I can select any record and open in the update mode and change any name and update. So that's how these can be updated. Similarly, for item based attributes, I can go to any particular screen and change those. There is an example of the usage of those attributes. We can go to any particular reports through the reports menu, and we can select the report type as items, and then we have some options. We can select a department, and then you can see we can apply department filters, category, item group, item material, item packaging. I can select a category and I can select these imported items and generate report, right? Similarly, I can apply item level filters, select any item level attributes. So detailed of this application and generation of report you can find in other videos, but that's how these attributes are used.